Dealing with an angry caller is probably the most difficult part of corporate communication.
Hello, this is Pumi. How can I help you?
You tell me? I have been trying to contact you for ages, and this is very annoying.
How do you respond to such a call? It is important to remember that the customer is upset about the situation and not angry with you. Experts say that it is important to not take things personally. Here are a few tips to help you with your next angry caller. First, diffuse anger. Angry people cannot make rational decisions. Therefore, it is important to let the customer vent. Do not interrupt and contradict them, even if you believe that they are not right. Confrontation can lead to aggression and hinder productivity.
I'm so sorry for that, sir. I'll be happy to help. Would you mind telling me what seems to be the problem?
I keep trying to register for your business English program. However, I keep getting an error.
Listen and respond with empathy. It helps to diffuse anger. Remember to listen with an open mind, which tells the caller that you acknowledge their problem. Replying with a positive tone, assuring them that you are going to do your best to help.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Would you mind giving me a minute or two while I check?
Sure, I can be online.
Focus on the customer and follow through to resolve the problem. By having the right attitude and choosing your language correctly, you would be able to diffuse anger, show empathy, and reassure your caller. Remember to join us as we explore English language structures that would help you communicate better at your workplace.